Hey y'all. Not my intro, but okay. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we are finally doing a fun makeup look. Okay. So I was watching James Charles' new video, which is like I do my makeup drunk, and he did like a am I good? I'm not good. He did like a cotton candy makeup, and I thought I want to do that. So I did. I literally haven't played with makeup in literally, how many times can I say literally? Literally. I have not played with makeup in so long, so I figured let's do it. Let's get this going. So here is the look. It is such a pretty look. I am so proud of myself. Period. So yeah, I mean, I'm just like, let's do this. So let's get on with the video. So I've done my base. As you guys can obviously tell, I already have one eye on. And if you guys want a base routine, I mean, I totally can do that, but like, not in this video. This video doesn't need to be like an hour long. Anywho, so today I used the Jawbreaker palette from Jeffree Star, obviously, because it's beautiful. I don't think I didn't use anything else. Well, I did use the stylus, but we'll get there. So the first thing I did was open up the Jeffree Star palette. I then took a packing small brush into the shade Soaked, which is this dark blue shade right there. You just gotta dip into it. And then, hopefully I can do this. I'm actually, oh, my mirror's hot. Okay. I am just going to put that on my outer corner. I'm going to really pack it in. So I'm just going to take some more as I need it, and I'm just going to pack it into my eye. I was saying, I kind of made a line, which it'll be blended out, obviously, so that I have kind of a guide to what I'm doing. And then I just kind of put it forth into my eyeball. And then we'll be back to this brush because blending. I'm going to go into a flat blending brush and go in with the light shade blue, which in this palette is called Brain Freeze, which is right here. I'm going to dip into it. And I'm just going to blend that out. Yeah, I just haven't really been doing a lot of makeup recently, sadly. I haven't been in the mood for it. I think it's just because, like, it was kind of a stress reliever, and, like, I don't know, I just lost interest for a little bit, but we better than ever. So I'm going to kind of blend that into the crease, and then I pick up that packing blue shade with the same blue and just kind of further it into my eye and kind of darkening that once again. And there you are. Now you are done with the blue for now. So now I am going to go in with just a fluffy round brush in the shade Bubblegum in the Jeffree Star palette, which is just this really pretty pink. And go just straight for it into my inner corner. Right along to the blue. And make sure you blend with the blue, so then it kind of makes that pretty purple color in the center. I'm going to go in with a blending brush, and I'm going to go in with the shade Virgin, which is just the white color. And I'm going to blend the tops of the shades, so then they don't look crazy harsh. And it kind of gives that, like, light color effect. I'm gonna add a little bit more blue. It's kind of getting patchy right there in the crease. And I'm gonna blend that out with my blue blending brush from before. And I'm just gonna make sure it's all blended. Now I'm gonna go in with a just flat brush and my e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer in the shade Fair Beige. I'm gonna put that on the back of my hand. And I'm gonna take that brush and I'm just gonna cut my crease. So what I like to do is I put a line and then I look up and it gives me that perfect shape, and I'm just gonna fill it in. There you go. My crease is cut. I'm actually gonna extend it a little bit more. Okay, now it's cut. So then I'm going to take this brush, which is just another flat brush, and in the Jawbreaker palette, I'm gonna go in with the shade Virgin again, and I'm just gonna pack it on that wet concealer. Now that that is done, I look super pale. I don't know why I keep going in and out of focus. You're going to go back in with the packing blue shade in the same dark blue shade from this palette, and I'm just going to blend that edge. Just so it doesn't look like I just left it there and didn't does that make any English? It doesn't make any English, but it's fine. I'm actually gonna make, oh, I keep going in and out. I'm gonna make this part of the pink a little bit deeper, so I'll be right back. There we are. So next, I'm gonna go in with these two Stila liquid eyeshadows, and the blue one is in the shade Into the Blue, and the pink one is in the shade Sunset Cove. So I'm going to start with the pink one, and I'm just going to put that on my inner corner of the cut crease, so the inner part. And then I'm going to take a little bit of the blue and just kind of bring it to the outer part, so then again it looks blended. And now it's time for the last part of eyeshadow. I keep going in and out of focus. I keep saying that. Shut up, Sophia. Okay. Again, I'm going to take whatever is left on this brush, the packing blue brush, and I'm just going to put it on my bottom lash line. And same move for the pink. And there is the eyeshadow look without the mascara and the lashes. I'm going to go ahead and pop those on, and we'll be right back. I just filmed the outro, and I wasn't even recording. You've got to be kidding me. Oh, my eyelash. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Here is how it turned out. I did add some blush from Maybelline and a highlighter from Kat Von D. I can't even think. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, just to let you know, I used the Kush mascara from Milk and the lashes from the 3D collection in style 149. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and comment down below what you guys would like to see from me, and subscribe to see more videos like this. If you would like to see more up close photos of these looks, you can go over to my Instagram at SophieXGrace, and all socials are SophieXGrace. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please keep watching my videos and subscribe, please. But yeah, have a great day. You're awesome. Bye-bye.